Alright, you guys. With God's help, we're gonna go doing the third code today. We did this guy, compiled it with the Linux. Um, excuse me. Now we're gonna do this transparent overlay window. Okay, let's do this. Nice. This next logical Windows 32 project after the blank window. You'll be learning how to create transport borderless overlines windows that don't block clicks. Alright. You'll be learning how to create transparent borderless overlays windows that don't block clicks. Great for overlays. Create a full screen borderless, always on top window. Use extended window styles. Transparent. Add a keyboard toggle when you can switch between. Alright. Alright, let's see how this works. Alright, so it's gonna be transparent overlay window. It's gonna be called 5. Oops. New folder. 5. Transparent. Okay. Transparent. That's C++. Okay. Alright, let's try to run this guy. How to run it again with the Linux. Alright. So what we're gonna do, new terminal. So we're gonna do x86 dash 64 w 64 mingua 32. I don't know how it sounds like, so if you guys know, write it down in the commentary below. Plus okay. So we gotta go into 5 transparent C++ dash O. Output's gonna be transparent.exe lgdi32. I think this is the linker, you know, user 32. Ah, darn it. See, this is why we have to go into WSL. Alright, we gotta install it. Sudo apt update. However, it's kind of funny, like, it seemed like it was all, installed before. Sudo apt install g++ dash mingua w64. Alright. Something's maybe not right over here. Dash x64 w64 ming w. Oh, that's why. It's not the right one. It's not how you spell it. Alright. No such file. Alright, that should work. Oops. See if it gave us our directory. Alright. Alright, so now we're gonna do transparent exe, okay. I think it's that's what makes it transparent. That's cool. Alright, let's see if we could change the brightness though. Let's see if that will change anything. We're gonna compile it. Alright, doesn't seem like it did anything. Would you change? You want it to be a little more gray though. Good question. Right now the overlay a little more gray. Interesting. Light gray. Okay, 128, 128, 128. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, maybe it did a little bit more. Alright, fine. It says change the alpha color. 2020, 2020, 2020. Alright. Okay, let's see how that looks like. Try 60. Okay. That's interesting. Alright, let's change this guy, see if it works. It does seem like it changes something. Let's try running it maybe over here. Yeah, it's weird. It's not really working so well. Exactly. Just one of the you just hit one of the crux of set layer window attributes. Okay, so it says it's transparent. Oops. Sorry. That's some interesting piece of code over here. Oh, there you go. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. That's some crazy code. That is some crazy code. That's some crazy code, you guys. That is some crazy code. We should call that overlay. We should call this program overlay. Overlay. Oops. 5 overlay. Overlay. That's weird. Alright, it's working on it over here. Anyway, I was good, you guys. We could say we kind of did it. We could say we did this project. I'm not trying to aim really for proficient, like crazy deep. I'm just trying to get this stuff over with and try to kind of see how it can do all these different projects over here, you know. Anyway, other than that, with God's help, see you guys in the next couple videos. Other than that, we'll see you guys soon. Alright, God's help, we'll see you guys in the next video though. Everybody who's been keeping up with the videos and trying to see how it works, good job. Um, with God's help, if they allowed this YouTube channel already to put links, I'll put it in the link description so you guys could see, and just paste it into ChatGPT and try to make the same one for yourself. Alright, other than that, with God's help, we'll see you guys in the next couple videos. Alright, peace.